everyone, Miss Moreau again. So this will be the last page for ELA for today. So let's read it. Suffixes go after the root word and change the meaning of the word. So it wants us to circle each suffix in the word and write what the word means on the line. I'm having some trouble circling right now on the computer, so I will make sure I tell you which word is the root so that you can circle it on your paper. So let's start with the first word here, which is hopeless. So in hopeless, we have a root and we have a suffix. So the root word would be hope. Let me try putting a square around it here. It hasn't been cooperating, but all right. So it's not making a square, but you can see it there. So the root would be hope. So that's what you would be circling. And the suffix would be less, the L-E-S-S. On the line, it wants us to write the meaning of the suffix less. So if something is hopeless, less means without. So if something is hopeless, it would be without hope. Let me move that up a little bit so you can see it better. Okay? All right, the next one we have colorful. So in colorful, the root word would be color, and the suffix would be full. So full means having a quantity that would fill something. So if something is colorful, we will say it is, oops, let me add another text box here. It is full of color. Okay, let's go on to the next one here. We have bigger. Now bigger is a little bit tricky because when we have the suffix er and we have a word that ends with a G, T, or M, we sometimes have to add an extra letter. So in this case, our root word would be big, B-I-G, just one G, and our suffix would be our G-E-R. So it's a little bit tricky, this one. But the suffix is when we're comparing something. So bigger would be more big than. So if we were comparing two animals, we could say that dog is bigger than this dog. It's more big than. Our next one we have fastest. So our root word here would be fast, F-A-S-T, and our suffix would be est, and that means the most. So if someone is the fastest, they are the, sorry, bear with me again. They are the most fast. Our next word, we have readable. So our base word or our root word would be read, R-E-A-D, so that would be what you'd be circling. And our suffix is able, and that means capable of. So if something is readable, it's capable of being read. So it's something that you can read. And our last one here is singer. So our root word would be sing, S-I-N-G, that's what you would be circling. And our suffix here is Now we had the suffix over here before, but this time it's being used in a different way. It's being used to describe a person who is involved with something. So a singer would be a person who sings. All right, my friends, so that is it for this video. I will talk to you soon.